Hi, Grandma. Happy Mother's Day, and I wish you a happy Mother's Day. Your son do, my dad does too. So, I wish you a happy Mother's Day.
And what else you got to tell Grandma?
Happy Grandma's Day.
What else? Did you get something?
Get a bike.
What did you get?
A bike.
You got a brand new bike?
Bike.
Wow, look at that bike.
Lick the ding. Ding, ding, ding. And then you're on basket. No, push button like this. I can put some like this. Balls or more balls in it.
Do you want to get on your bike, Chanel?
I can show you. Ba, ba, ba.
Okay, show Grandma to get on your bike.
Bike and almost ride it. I'm just learning how.
So, you know how to ride your bike yet?
No, but I'm learning how.
Is Daddy gonna teach you?
Yeah. Oh, brake. And here's the big bell on the thing. Like, you're running like, so whoa, my God, oh man, in the way. Like, you should say, move out of the way. If he doesn't hear you, I could do like this. If he doesn't hear me, I can do my super loud one. And then he'll hear it and run out of the way. And then going down the hill. Or like Grandpa, like old man like that.
What did you say?
Or like Grandpa, like an old man like that. Like do that so I can ring and then he'll hear it. Like Grandpa or like Grandma.
Okay.
They're supposed to hear it.
Okay, so say goodbye and wish him another happy what? Look at the camera.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
And watch this. I can show you a little picture I made. I made this picture for you.
Beautiful, Chanel.
It's a princess.
Okay, say bye to Grandma and Grandpa. Say. Okay, bye-bye.